Federal judge has found the Trump administration has not fully followed his order to unfreeze federal spending and ordered the White House to release billions of dollars in federal funds. The Trump administration is appealing. The judge also says that his temporary restraining order blocks the administration from cutting billions of dollars in grant funding from the National Institutes of Health. In the meantime, another judge has temporarily blocked the Trump administration from slashing funding for medical and public health research at universities nationwide, and of course among those affected, UCSF. KRON 4's Dan Kerman spoke to doctors there about how the Trump plan would affect the UCSF's research.
UCSF gets more research dollars from the National Institutes of Health than any other public institution in the nation. But that research is now in jeopardy following the NIH's announcement Friday that it was cutting billions of dollars of medical research funding to universities across the nation.
It's completely threatened. It means that a lot of researchers can't do their work, their labs won't work, people will have to be laid off. It would really have devastating impacts to research, and our research advances human health, so we don't want to do that.
Dr. Monica Gandhi is an infectious disease specialist at UCSF. She says the funding the Trump administration wants to cut at UCSF and at labs across the country pays for things like support staff, lab space, electricity, and other types of infrastructure. She says if the cutbacks prevail, it's the sick who will suffer.
We are a really big cancer center at UCSF. So, for example, we're studying new cancer drugs. And if that has to stop, then that means that someone can't get the most novel chemotherapeutic agent or immunotherapy to advance their health in cancer and extend lives. So cancer research, we do a lot of infectious disease research. We do a lot of cardiology, heart health, which is the #1 killer of Americans, is preserving, function and good cardiovascular health.
Following a lawsuit filed Monday by attorneys general in 22 states, a federal judge has temporarily blocked the Trump administration's attempt to cap medical research until a hearing is held on February 21st. Dan Kerman, KRON 4 News.